Hello, it's Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. So one of my oldest friends, Greg M. from Fargo, North Dakota, he said, "Oh, there's a special way to wash your microfiber." And I said, "Oh, my friend, yes, there is." So we have two different brands here. We have the Chemical Guys Microfiber Wash, and we have the Griot's Garage Microfiber and Foam Pad Cleaner. All you do is use this on you just add about 1 to 2 ounces per load. You can use either brand, they both work just great. Use an all clear soap, and you don't want any fabric softeners in there that will cause smearing when you use your microfiber. And do not use hot water. If your microfiber or your water heater is over 140 degrees, it will melt the polyester in the microfiber, and that may cause scratching. So you always want to use, cold water or warm water at the most. Just make sure your water heater isn't turned up too high. If you do use a dryer, no heat on the setting to fluff dry them. I hang mine on some towel racks to dry them. Clean and simple. Your old towels, they may get a little dark, but they will stay soft and work great on your car. Any other questions? Shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Attention to Detail in Tempe. Any other questions? Feel free to ask, and I'll post some more videos to help you keep your ride clean. You have a great day.